everyone. We are TechnoKids Company. We are TechnoKids Company, creators of Biyahe Guide, a smart commuting assistant designed to help daily commuters make faster, safer, and more cost-efficient transportation decisions. Our application provides real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and transportation options to reduce the stress and inconvenience of commuting. We created this solution because many commuters experience heavy traffic, road construction delays, long waiting times, and unreliable travel information every day. BI Guide aims to make commuting more convenient and efficient for everyone. So, our target customers are students, delivery riders, and daily workers who rely on public or private transportation every day. These commuters need accurate and real-time travel information to save time, avoid traffic congestion, and reduce transportation expenses. Students need reliable routes to arrive on time. Workers want faster and less stressful commutes, while delivery riders need efficient navigation to complete more deliveries quickly. Since these groups travel daily, they are more likely to use practical and dependable commuting assistant like Biyahe Guide.
So, hi, I am Mark Jonas Abonete, one of the member of Biyahe Guide. Wait. So, let's talk about value proposition of our app. Here are the benefits of our app when you use Biyahe Guide. Faster and smoother commute, reduce stress, clear route guidance, time and cost savings, better daily time management. So, what makes Biyahe Guide different is what we don't just show routes. We help people make better commuting decisions that improve their daily lives. So, for daily commuters, time, cost, and stress are the main factor or biggest problems they face every day. So Biyahe Guide solves this by combining real-time traffic updates, clear route guidance, and cost-efficient travel updates in one simple and easy-to-use app. Instead of switching different type of apps or relying rather on unreliable information, so users get everything they need in one place or in one app. This makes commuting faster, easier, and more predictable. Why people choose Biyahe Guide? Because it saves time, helps them spend less on transportation, gives them peace of mind every time they travel, whether they are going to school, work, or home. So next is business model canvas. So now let's briefly walk through to our business or app model and how Biyahe Guide works as a business. Our customer segments are daily commuters like students, workers, or travelers who rely on public and private transportation every day and they need a reliable traffic information. So our app is just simple and clear, faster, smoother, less stressful commuting through smart and reliable technology. So we reach our users through channels which include social media, online advertisements, and promotions in school or in workplace, allowing us to directly connect with people who commute daily. Next is customer relationship. So we focus on real-time applications, user-friendly and feedback systems, so we can continuously improve the app based on real user of what they need. Next is revenue streams. So in this one, Biyahe Guide is a free-to-use app, making it accessible to anyone who to everyone. So we earn through premium subscriptions, in-app advertisements, and sponsored promotions, which help sustain and grow the business. Next is K resources. K resources includes GPS, mapping technology, traffic, transportation data, and our mobile application, which allow us to provide accurate and time information for the users. Next, K activities involve app development, traffic monitoring, improving route, and user engagement to ensure smooth and reliable experience. So next, K partnership. So Biyahe Guide, we build a partnership with transportation companies, local government office, and GPS service providers to improve the accuracy and credibility of our app. Next is cost structure. So includes app development, server maintenance, marketing and operational expenses, investment that support long-term growth, sustainability, and better service for our users.
So hello everyone, I'm Sambi Cortez, one of the founder of Biyahe Guide from Technokids Company. So how we will attract and retain our customers? Now you might ask, how do we actually get Biyahe Guide into the hands of every commuters? Our marketing is simple. We focus on fixing travel stress, and we are targeting students and workers on social media by showing them how much time and money they lose every day. But we don't want to attract them. We want to keep them. By offering real-time, low-cost travel option, Biyahe Guide becomes daily habit, not just another app on their phone. But here are competitive advantage, the reason why you will choose us over anyone else. We are the user. Unlike massive apps that feel out of touch, Biyahe Guide was built by commuters who understand the struggle of messy info, heavy traffics, while others just show a map. We provide triple treat, which is the fastest routes, the most accurate updates, and the most affordable option. We aren't just giving direction, we are giving people their time back. That's why Biyahe Guide doesn't just stand out, it wins.
It has a strong financial potential because millions of people commute daily and need efficient transportation solutions. The app will be free to use, but it can also generate income through in-app advertisement, premium subscriptions, and partnership with transportation companies and local governments. Premium features may include ad-free use, advanced route planning, and personalized travel recommendations. As the number of users grow, the business also has the potential to become profitable through increased subscription, sponsorships, and advertising opportunities. In today's fast-paced world, people need smarter and more reliable way to travel. Biyahe Guide is more just a commuting app. It is a solution to help save time, reduce stress, and improve the daily lives of commuters. In combining real-time updates, efficient route planning, and user-friendly technology, we aim to make every trip faster, easier, and more convenient. With strong market demand, innovative features, and high growth potential, Biyahe Guide can become an essential tool for students, workers, and travelers everywhere. By choosing Biyahe Guide, become smarter commuting and fast start with smart decisions.